What's going on YouTube? My name is Josh. I hope you like this video. Initially I bought this DJI FPV drone. I love it. It has many modes, and the reason why I got it was because I could go from a beginner to all the way up to manual mode and flipping this thing around. What I do know is that when I first got it, I was terribly scared about breaking this thing, and obviously with the help of my friends from the fire station, they decided to tell me to go and flip it through the bay. Came in pretty hot, obviously, as you can see in the video, and I ended up breaking this front left arm, and with the help of YouTube, I was able to get this thing back in the air, so she flies again. I have no complaints. This thing is absolutely amazing. Wouldn't recommend anything else. It's just been completely useful in everything that I've ever wanted it to do. So hopefully you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, like, all that good stuff. Check out the rest of this. This is just me trying to, test some functions after I got it put back together. So hopefully you like it.